a chest massage or a back massage in a baby. And you can use essential oils if you feel like you want to, but again, essential oils with babies, proceed with caution. Pine, lavender, and tea tree are going to be oils that are okay to use around babies. So that's going to be a 1% dilution. And what is a 1% dilution for essential oils? 1% is going to be 1 drop of essential oil to 1 teaspoon of carrier oil. So you can use olive oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, apricot oil, 1 drop. And you can massage, get your hands warm, and then you can just do a nice little back massage on your baby. You can do cupping on them, you can kind of like pound on it a little bit. And what that's going to do is just, it's going to move the mucus around and it's going to help them